Today, I'm gonna tell you about Voilà. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Voilà, an all-powered personal assistant that could help you improve your writing, get answers to research questions, and stay focused on tasks right from your browser. The AI-powered browser extension that helps you optimize your workflows, create content, and get the answers you need. Use simple shortcuts to quickly perform work-related actions and improve productivity. Get answers to questions, improve your writing, and create high-quality written content in a snap. Voilà uses the power of AI to elevate your content game, charm your audience, and optimize your workflow. To get started, just install the extension to your browser and open it up with a simple keyboard shortcut. If you can think of it, you can ask Voilà. Create high-quality content, get answers to questions, and boost your productivity. Your personal AI assistant for supercharged productivity. So what you want to ask? There are tons of templates to get you started. Voilà can help you write marketing content, brainstorm ideas, and build decks. Just search the template and tell Voilà what you want. From business proposals and invest after decks to product requirement docs, Voilà's got you covered. Write long-form posts in minutes by dropping in your title to generate an outline. Use ChatGPT on any website. You can ask Voilà to take some text and write an entire post about it. You can even create Twitter threads. Just tell Voilà what you want to say and post it directly to your account, no matter what kind of work you do. You got to send emails. But with a seamless Gmail integration, Voilà takes the stress out of emailing. Just hit compose to create a new email or reply to one in your inbox. Then tap the shortcut and tell the AI what you want to say. But it gets better, because you've got even more Voilà shortcuts. Like creating a new Google Calendar event or opening a new Google Doc in one click. Improve your writing, get answers to all your questions, draft high-quality content, and respond to emails, all in one place. Voilà can answer any question, from looking up simple facts to explaining complicated concepts. Because you will get answers right from your browser, you won't have to waste time sifting through random Google results. Voilà integrates with Gmail to help you write thoughtful, timely messages and responses, without manually sorting through your inbox. All you need to do is describe the type of email that you need to whip up a perfect draft in a few seconds. Plus, you can generate messages that capture the right tone and vibe, from general and casual to formal, creative, and urgent. This extension can help you write high-quality marketing copy for blog posts, advertising campaigns, and SEO-focused content. It's also easy to improve existing copy, fix grammatical errors, summarize key information, and translate text. Just select the text and the tool takes care of the rest. Plus, you can create technical content like domain-specific documents in product development, UX copy, and engineering-related content. Best of all, Voilà helps you streamline your experience with convenient shortcuts to speed up your workflow and productivity. You can use this browser extension across websites like Shopify, LinkedIn, Facebook, Trello, MailChimp, WordPress, and Google Drive. Create high-quality content and boost your productivity with an AI-powered personal assistant. Voilà is packed with smart features that help you get answers to questions, improve your writing quality, and streamline your workflow right from your browser. Level up your content with AI. So, click on the link below to Voilà for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.